it is. Start the secondary sweep at bearing 290. Adjust the gain slightly, Helena.
Lower the starboard crane slowly.
Copy that, lowering to 10 meters. Watch the lines.
Secure the forward cable now.
It's frozen to the deck plate.
Use the heater. We have to deploy before the squall hits.
That brace is secure.
All right, start the sequence on the lower bolts.
Watch the cable on level 4.
Clear below. Move it slowly. The
stress fractures here are consistent with the simulations.
We need the perimeter secured before we move closer.
Understood, Inspector. We'll hold this.
Uploading the thermal data now. We should prioritize this section.
Yes, the impact must have been tremendous. We need more data from the lower decks.
According to the scans, the corrosion rate has slowed significantly.
That aligns with the atmospheric controls. We can proceed with localized reinforcement.
The next section needs alignment before we secure it.
Got it. Looks stable here.
According to the scan, this section is secure.
And the humidity levels are stable across the gantry.
Lift that brace higher, carefully now,
Copy that. Watching the clearance.
and get those cables secured.
We need to secure this section before the next shift arrives.
Understood. We'll prioritize the starboard side.
Finalizing the structural scan now. Everything looks stable.
Climate and lighting systems online. All indicators green. We have readiness confirmation.
According to the schematics, this fixture goes here.
Let me check the archival photo. Yes, that matches the 1910 design.
It's coming along beautifully, isn't it?
Yes, the gilt work is perfect.
Take a look at the railing here. The curve is precise.
Perfect symmetry. We are good to go.
Control, this is platform 3, all green on the forward davits.
Copy that, 3. Moving to section 4.
The plating gap and riveting are fully compliant with the schematics.
Noted. The restoration work here is exceptional.
The restoration is absolutely splendid. I believe we are ready for the handover.
Agreed. It's perfect.
Check the tension on the main cable.
Reading 400 kilonewtons.
Within acceptable parameters.
Look, lads, up here. Give us a wave.
Nearly finished. The finest ship in the world.
We are live at the harbor where the meticulously restored Titanic is preparing for her historic return to the seas. The atmosphere is electric.
Hooray! It's beautiful! Look at the size of it!
We're finally going to see her sail.
Welcome, Secretary. It's an honor to have you here. The honor is ours, Director. This restoration is simply remarkable. Truly a historic day for maritime engineering.
Has made contact. What an absolutely breathtaking sight as the restored Olympic-class liner.
Welcome, Secretary. It's an honor to have you here. The honor is ours, Director. This restoration is simply remarkable. Truly a historic day for maritime engineering.
Welcome aboard.
It's even bigger than the pictures.
Yes, absolutely wonderful, isn't it?
Superb.
Today, the dream lives again. We embark on a new chapter, honoring the past while sailing boldly into the future.